So what's up? Show you how to create AI-powered website using Vercel AI SDK and open source model from Hugging Face. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to. This is an app that I made with which will tell the exchange rate and also says an AI recommendation where I can see if I have to invest now or wait for it to increase. And another app which is a quiz app where you can enter the category, number of questions, and difficulty level, and it will just after attending the quiz, it will just give the high score, current score, and an amazing trick to memorize the question or remember the question forever. The other tool I made is a dictionary with an AI in it. So if I enter any word and search for the meaning, it will give the normal dictionary meaning but with the AI result. The next app is Chat Uncensored, where you can chat anything you want. Like it's fully uncensored because it is powered by an open source model that is fully uncensored. So also you can create chatbots like this where you can enter the symptoms and you will get the possible diseases that you got. This is amazing, right? These apps are made by me using this method. By exactly following this method, you will be able to create amazing app just like this. So let's get started. We are going to use something called as Vercel AI SDK, which is an open source library for building AI-powered user interfaces. So they provide an amazing starter kit, which includes Next.js, Hugging Face, and Tailwind CSS to create chatbot-like interface. So first thing what you want to do is you have to clone this repository and open it in your VS Code. First, we have to rename .n.local.example into .env file. And then you have to change the XXX into Hugging Face API key. At the Hugging Face API key, first locate to huggingface.co/settings/tokens and then go to the bottom and click on New Token. Create a token and click on Generate. And then locate to the token and click on Copy. Now paste it in the .env file that we created. So once that is done, locate to the app directory, API, chat, and click on open the route.ts file. So inside this, we are going to set up the properties of the LLM we are going to use. By default, the LLM is set to Open Assistant, but we are going to change it. So to change it, go to huggingface.co and select an open source model. Today we are going to use Mistral because it's cool. So once that is open, you can just copy the address of this LLM and paste it right here. We have to see is the instruction format or how we have to prompt this model to get the correct result. So to do that, in the model code, we can see that it's following this type of instruction fine tuning. So let's change the prompt template. By default, the prompt template is set to the Open Assistant prompt template. So let's change it. So if we go to the Vercel AI documentation, you can scroll down and click on the AI/prompt. So here you can see the different prompt templates supported by Vercel AI SDK. So by default, we are using this, which is not the correct one for the Mist. So if we scroll down here, we can see that build a llama 2 prompt, which is the correct instruction fine-tune format. So let's copy these stuffs. So first we are going to import the build llama 2 prompt instead of Open Assistant prompt. And then we are going to copy the input also, which we are going to replace in here. The last thing we have to do is set up the max new tokens. That is how many tokens the LLM have to give you at the last. So you can set it to 2000. Today I'm going to set it to 2000. You can set it to your wish. So the LLM properties are done. Now let's fire up the UI. So make sure you install Node.js on your computer. Then enter the prompt npm run dev. This will fire up the UI in the localhost source. So let's open it in our browser. So the other thing I forgot to mention is that the LLM you are going to use should be less than 10 GB to use it in the Hugging Face Inference API. So let me show you how you can see that. So if you select LLM and go to the Files and Versions tab in the Hugging Face hub, you can see the model sizes and the weights are less than 10 GB. So I can use this model. So the UI is loading right now. So as you can see, our website has been loaded and we can chat now. And the AI is powered by Mistral 7B. This is amazing, right? You can chat anything you want. Literally, you can change everything you want, and this is how you can integrate AI into your apps. So the other thing is you can also change how this page looks, or you can customize the text and this, and you can even add chat history to it and stuffs. So you can locate to the layout.tsx. You can rename the title of the app, description of the app, and if you go to the page inside the page.tsx, you can change the structure of the website using HTML and style the website using Tailwind CSS. So you can make an amazing chat app or integrate AI into your website using this method. So that's it for the video, guys, but the possibilities are endless. You can create anything you want using this method. So if you want more tutorials like this, go ahead and comment below. Also, check out this video if you want to convert images into 3D object.